What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme C75x keeps updating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. Reset all your settings. It will destroy all the settings, but never destroy another data like photos, videos, and other personal data in your device. But it will reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button, and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.